All right, ladies and gentlemen, how you doing today? I'm doing this video in hope to entice you in doing your maintenance. With the price of everything, especially new trucks, it's very expensive. I was planning to replace my truck this year, a year ago, but no, thank you. I'll wait. So I'm doing a overall basic maintenance on it. I'm going to start from the left. The oil, engine oil. Please, doesn't matter what you drive, do your engine oil more often than the original manufacturer required. It's for warranty reason to do that. Try to do it. If it's say 10,000 K, do it at 8,000 and get it done. Go with a high quality oil. In this case, I have the Shell Retailer for this truck. Usually I have Amsoil XL boosted, but I'm out of it right now. Spark plugs, actually I went with the original equipped ones. This is for the any Dodge Ram 3.7 V6. That's what he has. To my surprise, I was sure they were champions. So look on your book for your spark plugs. These are easy to do. In this engine, get some long extensions. That will help the job a lot. Behind, I replaced this last year. I did my wires and coils. The vehicle had over 200,000 K on it. If you don't go factory, again, go with a good brand. Again, just look at Rock Auto or go to any local auto shops to find the parts. Now, all this are easy to do. If you can find someone who could help you, by doing this, you're going to save 50% of your costs. But you could always ask help if you have friends who know a bit, a things or two on it, who has the tool, and maybe just give them a minimum amount of money, or tell them, look, I'll make supper for you. I'll order pizza and beer. I will change spark plugs for beer and pizza any day, anytime. Like I'll do it live now if you want. So, transmission. I replaced my transmission pan a little over a year ago with the filter that's inside also. The reason is it was starting to rust and it was starting to sweat. So I did not take any chance. I took the pan out, replaced the filter, but the pan I got was from SW, I think, whatever. I purchased very cheap at Rock Auto, price-wise. And that pan is a drain plug. So I hoped with these 6 squirts I will have enough. If not, well, I'll have to get some more. Whenever you're dealing with transmission and whatever work you do, especially gear or whatever, make sure you get some brake cleaner. That always helps to make the job cleaner. The rear end, if you have a rear-wheel drive car or a truck or even a 4-wheel drive truck, replace your gear oil. Don't have to do it as much, but do it anyway. Go with the factory one, good one if it's synthetic, or even better, I like these ones because they're easy to fill the rear end. You could always get this one also if you like. I'm not a big fan of rolled poo-poo, but whatever floats your boat. If you have confidence in it, go ahead. Air filter, very easy to do. What I don't have here, 2 things, because this truck does not have. It's a cabin air filter and a fuel filter. The serpentine belt, go with factory or a good aftermarket one. And your coolant, that's another one that people seem to forget. I do it every 4 years. I flush it out. And I think in 2015, I did replace the bottom hose. And this is another new one that I'll replace the bottom. I replaced the top one 2 years ago with the thermostat. That things you seem to forget. I always go factory when it's time to coolant. Get the 100% coolant and some distilled water. So I want to make sure you do that. Have a good discipline in doing that. Another thing you want to check is your tires. Now in this country, I'm in a few months, I will have to put winter tires. Right now, if you look at these, I have. The reason I buy these tires is they're commercial ones, and because I need it for what I do. But always think of what you're required to do with your car. Like on another car, I just do performance with it, so I don't care. I have summer tires. They wear very fast because the tread wear is very low, and but that's okay if you if you do any spirit type of driving, get some sticky tires. If you just do normal driving, well, get some highway long lasting tread tires. All right, and check the dates. I just replaced. I got 2 new winter tires there, and I replaced plus 10-year-old Michelin LTX Winter 2. They had still a lot of tread on them, but they were just too old. I got them back in 2012, and you could see inside they would start to crack all the way. So I'm not gonna show how I'm gonna do this, because all you have to do is go on YouTube and say, change the oil of whatever vehicle you have, change the spark plugs, change whatever. Very easy to find. They'll show you the list of tools you need, and you go from there. Just do it. And once I got all this done, whatever, I'm gonna do an ultimate MPG test, basically from full to empty, and prove to a lot of my friends that even if this old Betsy still beat their new trucks on the MPG wise. So in that, have a nice day. Thank you and take care.